Here's how to fix mega file downloads that are stuck, failing, not starting, or showing storage-related errors in the browser or Mega desktop app in less than 3 minutes. Today I will show you in a step-by-step guide how to fix the most common mega download problems and get your files downloading again. First, check your internet connection and make sure Mega loads normally. Open the download page or app and confirm that there are no connection errors. Once the page is loaded, refresh the Mega tab or completely restart the Mega app. In many cases, the download button becomes available again after a fresh reload. Next, check how much free storage is available on your device. Open your system storage settings and confirm there's enough space for the file you are downloading. Then, if you're using a browser, clear the cache and site data specifically for Mega. You will see a browser confirmation asking whether you want to remove stored data. After that, retry the download. If you have several browser tabs open, close the ones you do not need and try again. Mega downloads can fail when the browser is using too many resources. Now, if you see the message, your in-browser storage for Mega is full, focus on fixing that first. Clear Mega site data, clear browser cache, and restart the browser. This is one of the most common reasons downloads fail or stop unexpectedly. Once that is done, try to download in another browser such as Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. You should see the same download page load in the alternate browser. Next, if the file is large or continues to fail, install the Mega desktop app. Sign into your account and start the transfer through the desktop app instead of the browser. You will see the download handled directly by the application rather than browser storage. If you don't see this option, there's another way. Install the Mega desktop app, sign in, open the file link, enable desktop transfer handling if available, and start the download through the app. Finally, restart your device and try the download one more time. A fresh session often clears temporary download problems. Once everything is set, the Mega file download will begin normally and complete without storage, browser, or transfer errors. Following these simple steps makes fixing Mega files not downloading quick and easy.